Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel The Nation Needs You. I am R.C. Misra, soft skill trainer, Vidyasagar classes, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. In today's class, I am going to discuss tense system in English language. As you all know, how important is the tense system in English language. When you want to make a sentence, then you need tense. You want to write a single line, again you need a sentence. Let's say, मैं शादी करूँगा आपसे. I will marry you. What I say? I will marry you. So here will is talking about future. So remember one thing, tense in English always talk about two things. One is the time, one is the work. Time like what? At present, past or future. And when it's come to work, you must say the work is already over, or it's going on, or it's going to happen. He will be a doctor. He's going to be a what? Doctor. Now here what? We talk about future. So when it's come to time and work in English language, then you need this tense system. And most of the people, and students, they find this as a dogma or a conundrum, or they perplex, or they confused. They are always in a obfuscate mood due to this tense system. In this series, I am going to cover each and every tense individually. I will talk about the pattern, the forms. I will talk about example. I will tell example. I will give you more examples also, and with exercise, with all details and usage. So those who are new to my channel, a warm request to you all to do the subscription. Please subscribe the channel. It's free now. Okay. So and click on the bell icon so that you are never gonna miss any single video of my YouTube channel. And I must say thank you to the viewers, those who are giving me all the time. They encouraged me and they passed lovely comments. So I really welcome them to my channel personally. So one definition: a tense is a form of verb. क्या है? Tense is a form of verb that is used to show the time of an action. क्या बताता है? Tense is a form of verb. अच्छा, जब verb का बाद आता है, जितना भी action word, आप मान लीजिए play. Play क्या है? It's a verb. So you can add s, you can make it play plays, or you can say playd played, or playing. These are all what? Verb forms. Verb are again two categories: auxiliary verb, primary auxiliary verb, and main verb. In auxiliary verb, you have be verb, do verb, have verb. Okay, then modal verb are there and semi-modal verb are there. And in main verb, other things are also there. That we will discuss later. But our topic is what? Tense. So tense is a form of verb that is used to show the time of an action or work. So the type of tenses, I must say, there are two type of tenses are there. But some of the people, they consider future as their tense also. That's why I have written here what? Future tense. Otherwise it would be what? Future form, we can say, right? So present tense, past tense, and future. And these three tense is all about English language sentence making needed. So here let's talk about present tense. So simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. So every tense has what? 4 subcategory. 4 into 3, 12 forms are there exactly. So here past also in that way, simple past tense. When to use simple past tense? When you talk about past action, let's say newspaper headline, or you can talk about other past habit also. In past habit also we are using simple past. When the action is already done, the action is finished, that time also you can use. For repeated action, those are already past. For that also we can use simple past. Then past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future simple future. Then future continuous, future perfect continuous. These are the all tense that we are going to discuss today. But in today's lesson, I will talk about present tense. I'll talk about the form, I will talk about the structure, I will talk about the example. At the end, we will see one example together, one exercise also. So let's start learning present simple tense. Okay, let's talk about simple present tense together, everyone. So, most of the time we use what? Simple present tense, because it is a commonly used tense in English language. And simple present tense is what normally that it is used for, or we can also call this tense as what? Present indefinite tense. So it is one of the verb form. What is that? It is one of the verb form associated with the present tense in modern English. In modern English we use this. So this simple present tense is the most commonly used verb form in English. I have given you some verb form here instead of telling the usage of simple present tense. When someone is doing commentary, live commentary, they can use what? Simple present tense. Which things are fact and figure, which are commonly true or universal truth. Let's say sun rises in east. That's present simple tense. Obviously, I will tell you what are the uses are there for this particular tense. Let me tell you few form of this tense. Number one, what is that? Normally we add as for the verb in simple present tense. If it is third person singular, then we are adding s to the what? The verb. For example, he never eats breakfast. वो कभी breakfast नहीं खाता. Right? So आज नहीं खाता, कल नहीं खाता, आगे भी नहीं खा सकता है. So here what? H, he is there, third person singular. I put what? S to the verb, so he never eats breakfast. One more example, the match starts at 7 o'clock. The match again starts. I put s to the verb, and it is almost never rains here. Not rain, rains here. Or he sometime visits me. कभी कभी आता है मुझे देखने के लिए. He sometimes what? Sometimes visit me. One more rule let me tell you. Number two, if a verb end with this letter, what are the letter? If the verb end with ch, like reach, and sh, s, x, and z, then we are putting what? Yes to the verb. Let's say bless, blesses. Wish, wishes. If you have bush, then bushes. Brush, brushes. Right? So let me tell you some example. Mary wishes that she is rich, or she misses you much. She misses you much. It relaxes me a lot. So we see now two rules of this verb form. Let's learn few more verb form of this present simple tense together. Okay, let's see the further form of this present simple tense, or we can call simple present tense together. So we learn already 2 or 3 form how to make the verb proper. One more rule I must tell you. If a verb ends with the letter consonant plus y, then we take out the y. हम y निकाल लेंगे and add is to the end of the verb. For example, let's say baby. So you are omitting y there. You take out y and you put is, become babish. baby become babies, like here fly, flies, cry, cried, study, studied. For example, she studies her lesson every night. Look at the word every. Remember, when you encounter every, never, always, these are also most of the time are in present simple tense. And he never dries his hair after a shower, right? This is one rule. One more rule: if a verb ends with this letter, like what, vowel plus y, then you are putting only s to the verb. For example, pay become what? Pays. And buy become buys, enjoy become enjoys. For example, she never plays tennis. What is that? She never plays tennis. Sally enjoys dancing. What? Sally enjoys dancing. There are some irregular verbs are there. When you talk about verb, regular verb are there, irregular verb are there. There are some list of irregular verb where you don't guess, like you are going to put s or es. It is going to be changed completely. For example, go, goes, do, does, have, has. One example: sometimes she goes to work on foot. कभी कभी खाली पैर जाता है, चल के जाता है. क्या करता है? चल के जाता है. और टॉम हैज़ ए लॉट ऑफ मनी. टॉम के पास बहुत सारे पैसे हैं. सो वी सॉ नाउ सम ऑफ द वर्ब फॉर्म. लेट्स सी समथिंग मोर अबाउट प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस नाउ. Okay, so we will talk now some formula or pattern of present simple tense or present indefinite tense. Number one, the pattern is what? So we are going to learn now simple present tense with to be. To be like what? Be verb, like each, am, and are. So here, number one pattern: subject plus is/am/are plus predicate. For example, I am from Japan. Okay, you are from Bhubaneswar. We everyone know the simple rule: I am, you are, he, she, each, we are, they are. Ram is, Shyam is, it is. This is the thing that we already know, very common. Number two, negative sentence. When we do negative sentence in present simple, you can say I am not old, he is not old, the common form. Now coming to question sentence, when you are making question, you can say am I late? क्या मैं late हूँ? Are you late? क्या आप late हो? So here what? We can use the is/am/are at the beginning, right? Number four, question word. Question word like what? In English language you have WH question. What? What, where, when. These are all called what? WH question. I will prepare a separate video lesson for WH question in English language. So here, where are you from? Or what is his job? What is that? What is his job? Okay. And number five pattern, subject plus verb one, जो कि प्रेजेंट सिंपल का पहला फॉर्म है, या SES लगा सकते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I sing or he sings. Now why S here? Because he, third person singular, third person singular. That's why what? We are putting S, right? Let's say number 6, subject plus अगर नेगेटिव करना है तो subject plus don't या doesn't लगा सकते हैं. verb का फर्स्ट फॉर्म रहेगा, ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा. I don't sing. But if it is he doesn't sing. What we can say? He doesn't sing. Now coming to another one, like asking question again. Do, does, subject रहेगा, verb one, object. For example, do I sing? क्या मैं गाना गाता हूँ? Does she sing? क्या वो गाना गाती है? One more pattern, question word again WH का सेंस में. What is that? क्वेश्चन वर्ड के बाद क्या रख सकते हैं? डू, डज रख सकते हैं. सब्जेक्ट रहेगा, भार्ब का फर्स्ट फॉर्म हमेशा रहेगा जब भी आप क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, व्हाट डू आई सिंग? मैं क्या गाऊं? और हाउ मच डज द शार्ट कॉस्ट, शार्ट का पैसा कितना पड़ेगा, कितना है शार्ट का पैसा, व्हाट दैट, हाउ मच, क्या लगा है पहले WH क्वेश्चन, हाउ मच डज द शार्ट कॉस्ट, शार्ट का पैसा कितना है. So now we see some of the formula and format of present simple. Now I am going to tell you the usage of present simple tense. Okay, so let's run few rules of simple present tense. So in the before video we saw the pattern, the formula. Now it's time to learn few usage of this particular tense. So here number one, usage word repeated or habitual action. Let's say used to kind of thing, that you have a habit. For example, she always forgets her purse. क्या होता है, वो हमेशा अपना पर्स भूल जाता है. Always remember when you encounter always, never and all type of stuff. Okay, so you must be sure that this is going to be what, present simple tense or simple present tense. One more example, Peter works for 8 hours every day. Now what, every day, that is also indicating what, simple present tense here. Okay, so Peter works, third person, that's why we put S here, and I taught you the rule also. So Peter works for 8 hours every day. Now use number 2, fact or generalization, which is the bitter truth, right? Let's say cats like milk, or you can say milk is white. So if you travel America also, milk color is not going to change into blue or pink. So it is always going to be what, a fact, a constant value. So you must say what, cats like milk. This is natural. In modern days it is not like they are going to prefer pizza or burger or something, ham sandwich. But what, cats like milk, it's a truth thing. So fact. So cows eat grass. Okay, and use number 3, a scheduled event in the near future. What is that? A scheduled event in the near future, which always what, talk about time expression, or let's say timetable when we are talking about, or any kind of program, propaganda and agenda. So here, my uncle arrives tomorrow. What is this? He is not yet arrived, but it's talk about what, future agenda, future event that going to happen. One more, my party start at 8 o'clock. That's also what, present simple tense or a scheduled event. Okay, use number 4, that is now, which is what, non-continuous verb. Means what, to express an idea, to express the idea that an action is happening or not happening now. This thing is going on or not going on. So I am here right now. Okay, that is perfect. Or she is not here now, वो अभी नहीं है यहाँ पे. Or you can say he need help right now. He needs help right now. Let's learn few more usage of present simple tense. Okay, let's see the further usage, everyone. Now rule number 5 is telling what, let me clear you one thing to all viewers, that I know heartfully that grammars are a little boring concept, right? So you have to remember 1,000 rules, a ton of rules. But remember one thing, if you want to be gather profound knowledge in English language, you want to go for a precise writing, then grammar is essential. Okay, so here you have to watch up to the end of the videos, then only you will get some outcome. If you left in the middle, you can't get the total points. Okay, so here rule number 5 or usage is what, when we are talking about storage in a book or other work of art. For example, so I open the door and I look out into the garden and I see this man. Here what, all the underlined words are what, simple present tense. One more, the heroes dies at the end of the film. So here you use what, simple present what, die become dies, y omit हो गया, आपका yes लग गया. Okay, next one, number 6, commentaries So in commentaries also, live commentary, let's say whether it is football or cricket, then again you are going to use the present simple tense. For example, the ball hits the net and she loses the point, right? And the commentary people, that you know that how louder they are and how faster they are speaking, better than the Narendra Modi bullet train, I can say. They are speaking much faster. So here rule number 7, for giving any type of instruction and demonstrations, in that case also you are simply going to use the present simple tense, present indefinite or simple present tense. So here, okay, let's go over it again. You wait outside the bank until the manager arrives. So this is what? Giving you a what? Instruction. And rule number 8, everyone, on Mondays, at the weekend, etc., in that cases also you are going to use the present simple tense. For example, I don't work on Sundays. मैं संडे में काम नहीं करता हूँ, एक संडे नहीं, सब संडे का बात कर रहा है. Okay, and Tom and I play chess on Mondays, right? So we learn 8 usage of present simple tense. Let's learn more 6 or 7 uses, then only we can stop today's class. Let's go for the other rules too. Okay everyone, let's go to the remaining rule for the tense simple present. So let's see the another usage. Number 9, we can use present simple tense with a performative verb. What is that? Performative verb, जो खुद अपना काम करे. क्या? A verb that describe action itself. क्या क्या आ सकता है उसमें? प्रोमिस, डिने, एडमिट, अपोलोजाइज, एक्सेप्ट, डिजायर, और भी बहुत सारे परफॉर्मेटिव वर्ब इंग्लिश में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई अपोलोजाइज फॉर द डिले. व्हाट? आई अपोलोजाइज फॉर द डिले. और यू कैन से आई एक्सेप्ट दिस एग्रीमेंट और आई एग्री, right? So in what? We can use present simple tense with what? Performative verb. Number 10 use for formal correspondent. Formal correspondent के लिए 2 चीज़ होता है. जब लेटर लिखते हैं फॉर्मल होता है, इनफॉर्मल होता है, सेमी फॉर्मल होता है. तो फॉर्मल में आई एनक्लोज माई चेक फॉर 50,000 रुपीज. और यू कैन से वी राइट टू एडवाइस यू. राइट टू, व्हाट इज दैट? वी राइट टू एडवाइस यू, right? This is what? For formal correspondence. Now coming to rule number 11, the present simple tense is used in what? Subclause. अच्छा, subclause क्या होता है आप लोगों का? जैसे if, when, after, while, till, until, ये सारे क्या होते हैं? Subclause होते हैं. Example, let's wait until the rain stops. Let's wait until the rain stops. In that case we can use. Rule number 12, जैसे आपका आता है, अगर एवरीडे आता है, वीक आता है, ईयर आता है, फ्राइडे आता है, तब भी आप प्रेजेंट सिंपल लगाएंगे. जैसे वी गो टू सिनेमा और वी गो टू वर्क एवरीडे, प्रेजेंट सिंपल है. रूल नंबर 13, इन द आफ्टरनून मॉर्निंग, अगर क्या है इन द आफ्टरनून मॉर्निंग भी आता है तो आप फिर भी प्रेजेंट सिंपल लगाएंगे. एग्जाम्पल, आई ट्राई नॉट टू ईट एनीथिंग एट नाइट, मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ रात को कुछ ना खाऊं. नेक्स्ट वन, विंटर है, स्प्रिंग है, तब भी वी वेयर व्हाट? वार्म क्लॉथेस इन विंटर, क्या टेंस है? प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस है. नंबर 15, वंस ए डे ट्वाइस ए वीक, इस तरह का चीज आता है तब भी आप प्रेजेंट सिंपल लगाते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, माई गर्लफ्रेंड कॉल्स मी ट्वाइस ए वीक, वीक में 2 बार कॉल करती है. एंड द लास्ट रूल ऑफ प्रेजेंट सिंपल टेंस, लेट मी टेल यू दैट वर्ड. रूल नंबर 16, फ्रेक्वेंसी ऑफ एडवर्ब, कि कितना टाइम, ऑफन हो गया, ये वगैरह जो होता है, राइट? और ऑफन हो गया, और हम लोग इसमें कह सकते हैं रेयर होता है. सो एडवर्ब में दे ऑफन विजिट अस. व्हाट? दे ऑफन विजिट अस. ऑफन इज व्हाट? एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रेक्वेंसी. सो इन टुडे क्लास, डियर व्यूअर्स, वी लर्न व्हाट इज प्रेजेंट simple tense along with its formats, formula and usage. Now it's time for exercise. Please give one exercise test online to confirm whether you understood the present simple tense or no. At the end, I must request those who are new to the channel, please subscribe to it so that you will get the notification for upcoming video. We started the class today of present simple tense. We will continue with present continuous, then present perfect progressive, then the past, then the future. I will see you people in my next video. Thank you so much for your patience and for watching this video. I will meet you in the next video. Thank you so much once again for watching. Jai Hind.